Assalamu alaikum, all GSM friend. Today new mobile. The subject CDY NX9B C185 Huawei ID remove downgrade format. No box, no online, just downgrade format. The flashing, the Huawei ID permanently remove. Just 100% working. Any mobile hang logo date mode repair Huawei ID remove permanently. Just download now. Any problem, email one WhatsApp number. Chat now 24-hour service. Next, Nova 7 Pro 5G Huawei memory AMN-LX9-L29 flashing 100% trusted update firmware okay. Hang logo date mode repair camera problem. Wait, now see. WhatsApps are now okay. Other client this water the WhatsApps are not 24-hour service okay. At first my YouTube channel subscribe, like and comment and Facebook share. Any problem WhatsApp emo are not 24-hour service. Any okay WhatsApp wait any YouTube channel description and rolling comment box just check now you see emergency your file need any browser open this Google for just Google right now Borsha mobile BOR okay one click now and blogger site click now many your file just your file need okay your file need CDY just model CDY now start now okay search now okay this name model no problem just click now and file download no problem my file 100% working and test this client order and remotely service working last moment and Google and YouTube channel post the file paid file not free paid just download now any password problem any download complaint download link problem other any solution just email WhatsApp are not 24-hour service okay. Good night. Next time you start 24-hour service any file you need just search blogger search now any model just model name okay clear. Goodbye.